Good morning, everybody. It is December 29th, and here's your plan of attack for SPX, 0 day expiration trades. Basically, day trades on ES Futures or SPX, however you wish to do it. And, well, y'all, if you've seen this before, you kind of know how I look at this. So I'm looking at it from, first I like to forecast what I expect today's candle to be. See, it's Thursday, right before Friday, before the holiday weekend. And the question right now, and I'm sure everyone is wondering it, well, actually, I won't say everyone's wondering it. Most people are like, "Oh, Santa Rally's coming." I mean, in my opinion, I think everyone should just drop that idea. That's just me, though. Nothing to say that a rally can't come, but at the same time, I mean, like it's a different market condition than in the previous years when the Santa Rally was. Whenever it's in a bullish market, the conditions have changed, and I feel like a lot of people get so fixated on the whole Santa Rally concept. But that being said, there is support here and resistance here. What's going to happen? I really don't know, obviously. I mean, if I knew, I'd already be in position for it. But this wedge broke down yesterday, like we are looking for yesterday in the options room in the small account mastery. We did a call credit spread, and I'll do a quick trade breakdown on that after I cover this, what I would expect to do today. So if you look right here, you can see how this is going to be, I think, resistance. It's going to line up perfectly with the weekly VWAP, which is this orange line. And I'll zoom in a little bit more so we get an actual price level there. So I'm going to move my mouse right to this base here, and it lines up with the weekly VWAP and these closes in the wick area. So basically 38.42-ish is a level. I'm personally not comfortable going long right now, so I'm only going to be looking at the short side. If a short setup presents itself, I will take it. If it's all long setups, I'm just not going to take it. I don't see it as a high probability trade because I could see it just like yesterday. Whenever I do the trade recap from yesterday, that it simply looked like I was going to rally and then it smacked everything down. And so going a put credit spread for me, I think is completely counter trend, and I think you will get burned. So that being said, I feel like I keep saying that, but you get what I'm saying. Right here at 38.42 is this level, which also, like I said, lines up with the weekly VWAP. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this, pull up my quick hits chart. All right, so 38.42. Why is that a level worth noting? So, like I mentioned, it is that level where price has been stalling, and it's right here in front of the daily 5 EMA, and it also lines up with this wick right here on this chart. And as price is moving up right here, you see where here's the daily, sorry, not the daily, but the hourly 50 EMA. So what I personally would like to see is if price rallies up to, we'll just call it the zone of 40 to 50, right? Rallies up to this level, and then you start to get sell signals, I would like to short it back down this way. Now, that is a little bit different than what we have been talking about lately, because lately, you would think, okay, well, I would want to buy the pullback. Yeah, but the daily time frame is looking so heavy. I see the only way to go is short, and if the setup doesn't present itself, then don't take the trade. That's personally me. And we also see right now, so we're hitting the yesterday's VWAP value area. So there's a lot of this is a level worth noting. So basically, my plan would simply be I only want to short a rally. That's it. And I'll wait for the signals to get there. But if you focus on levels to get short on, I think you'll be okay. And like I said, about 40 to 50-ish level, if we get up to the zones, start to get sell signals, then I would take it back down. I'm personally not comfortable going long right now, but I'm also okay with being patient and not even hopping into a trade today. So that's my thought there. Simply just, like I said, rally up to 38.40, 38.50-ish level, sell signals, write it back down. Now about yesterday's trade, and I'll cover that again. So yesterday it looked like it was going to be a bullish day. It sucked everybody into the open and then smacked everybody in the face. So yesterday, the open happens, right? We got a quick flush lower, got the buy signals. Like even when I was doing this live, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and look to go long. But then everything started flushing lower with negative sell signals. And then on this candle, we sold the I believe it was a 38.40, 38.50 call credit rate. It was 10 wide and got it for $4.50. And then on this flush lower right here, locked up the 50%, the target of 50%. Obviously, holding on to it would have been okay. Obviously, we could have locked up the whole position, but that was a quick target right here, support. That was an easy trade. No reason to lose your bum at the end of the year. So that was the example I'm talking about. So we had the rally and it got smacked down, and I'm worried or concerned. I guess I'm worried is a little bit drastic, but I am anticipating the same happening, and that is all really because the larger time frame is looking heavy. It's looking like it wants to go down. Right, this wedge, this little bear flag that formed right here, little bear flag. We got the breakdown yesterday. I think this is going to be a pop test here, and then we're going to close on a wick and then potentially back down here. I could be wrong, but that's how I'm viewing it right now. It's tough to say that we're going to have a tweezer bottom and then close back up the highs like this. I mean, if it does, I mean, it's possible because it is in a range, but that's I'm kind of viewing that improbable at the moment. So that's my plan for today. Short the rally, just pay attention to those levels at getting short, and pull up the chart again. Okay. Cruising on over to today. So right here at the hourly 50 EMA. So if we keep on pushing, this sets it up pretty well. So especially if we get a pop at the open, up at here, which lines up right here. It's just a level worth noting on so many factors. And then if we get sell signals up here, short it down, and then let it work. And then as far as profit target goes, look for a reversion back to the 30-minute 21 EMA or the VWAP area, which is obviously right now back down at 38.20. And you can make a decent little bit of money right there. But this rally right now isn't fooling me at the moment. I mean, I could completely eat my words and later we'd be up 3% or something like that. But that's how I'm viewing it right now. So everyone have an awesome day. And I will see y'all again tomorrow. Take care, everybody.